So you're a data analyst or data scientist and you want to transition to product management? I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Dr. Bart. I'll be your product management teacher. This week, we'll be looking at how to transition from data analyst, data scientist position to product management. This is a part of a wider series called Breaking into Product Management, and generally, you should start with a video about being promoted to product management. Videos in the description, and that's your entry point for this series, regardless of the position. But in this video, we'll look specifically at what data analysts have in common in terms of being promoted to product management and what should they focus on to improve their future position. Let's start by looking into the radar chart that compares the abilities of a product manager and one of data analysts or data scientists. I talk about this chart in another video that's listed in the description, but for now let's focus on the chart itself. You can clearly see that data analysts and data scientists are very prominent in terms of, well, data analysis and tech. However, in my humble opinion, I think that they do need to boost some other skills visible on this chart. So, what to do? How to proceed? Let's start by saying that for data analysts, scientists, the promotion to product management is probably the most obvious career progression choice. In fact, that's the first position I think of when people ask me where to begin with product management if you can't break into it directly. But if you have product analysis experience, what then? Well, first of all, you need to realize that when you become a product manager, it's not only about understanding and analyzing the numbers. You are actually the person who will drive them, who will have to figure out what to do next. Obviously, for most of you, data analysts, data scientists, this was already done because you had to analyze the numbers and come up with recommendations. It's not only about doing the charts, showing the numbers, it's also about making the choices. And as a product manager, you will have much more to say about the direction of the product and you will have to make tougher choices. You'll be responsible for them. So what you need to do is to very aggressively pursue value for the product. As an analyst scientist, you were looking for answers. Now you'll be looking for the right questions. You'll be looking at the product and searching for the areas which need improvement. And that's the most obvious difference between those two positions. Also, you need to step up on your communication skills. Normally, as a data scientist, data analyst, you are very well crafted to show the right numbers in the right way so the right parties will understand that. You will need to build on top of that. You will also need to grow your word choice skills and learn how to write awesome emails, awesome newsletters, and how to communicate with stakeholders and your team alike. Because you will also be a leader. You will have to grow your leadership skills, be empathic, be very open to your team, be open to listen to their needs, listen to the needs of stakeholders. Basically, this is the managerial step up for you. So this is also something that you should pursue. Also, what's important as a leader, you have to have a very firm backbone. You have to be able to say no, you have to be able to stand your ground and be able to always be able to justify your decisions, which for you will be quite easy because you are already well established in looking at numbers and displaying them to other parties. That's all I have to say for the transition from data analyst, data scientist to product manager. Obviously, the road is much longer, there is much more to know, but I'm here to help. You have this channel. There is also a great product manager course on Udemy that I host. And this video is just to help you realize the differences between the two roles in the fundamentals and help you focus on developing the right skills on top of what I already taught in other videos on how to transition from one position to another. Thank you for listening. That has been another class for the future product managers, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.